Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Halloween Happy. If you're new here, my name is Sam. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Halloween Happy. I have a Halloween haul, I got some new decor, and that leads me to today's sponsor, Oriental Trading Company. Now you guys know that I've worked with them for a while now, and I've even been a regular shopper way before. They have so many options when it comes to Halloween decorating, party decor, home decor, candy, and so much more. And thank you so much to Oriental Trading for sponsoring this video. Okay, so first up we have this Mr. Halloween orange Halloween tree. This one comes with purple and clear bulbs, but the lights are clear. I love that it has this little purple witch hat on top. And what I really like about this is that the light bulbs are already in there, so they're not gonna fall out. I have a black one and the light bulbs don't stay in that one if I move it around a lot, so I have to be careful. Look at how festive it looks. I'm so excited, and I think this will be a perfect addition to my desk or in my cozy corner by my couch. I just really like this one. This is the Hocus Pocus outdoor throw pillow set, and I actually have these pillows already, but I loved them so much I wanted to add another set. I just really like the beading on the lettering. It is so pretty, it's so witchy. I just really like the texture, the look of it. I love the broom. Here's the second one. This one says Pocus, of course, and this comes on a white pillow, and these are compact and small, but they are pretty fluffy, and you can use these outdoor. You can also use them indoor. I can't wait to decorate with these. So here we have an officially licensed Hocus Pocus sign, and I love this one. It says, Binx is my spirit animal, R.I.P. Emily Binx, died 31 of October, and I just really like the metallic orange. That's like one of my favorite colors and textures. And on the back, it has this stand, so if you wanted to, you can just stand this on something, or you can also hang it. I will probably hang it, I think. I accidentally cut it when I was unpacking it, so that's why there's that little tear in there. This is the Hocus Pocus tabletop sign, and of course it says, you are the hocus to my pocus. And it's just painted on the front. There's nothing on the back, and it has a pretty good weight to it, so when you stand it up, you don't have to worry about it falling over or anything like that. If you're crafty, you can add some hardware to this to hang it if you decided to do so. How fun are these lighted stacked pumpkins? So there's like this little reflective material on here, and this is made out of wood. It has some spiders that are imprinted, but it lights up. This will be the perfect decor to give that Halloween glow that we all love. I know you guys are gonna go crazy with this one, but yes, I got this from Oriental Trading Company. Shelving unit that is shaped in a coffin. How fun is this? You could do so many Halloween decorating themes with this. You can do like dark and spooky, you can do goth, you can do witchy. So many ideas that are flowing to my brain. Put your jewelry on here, your makeup, Halloween knickknacks. It's perfect in my opinion. I get a lot of questions about where I get my Halloween decor, and honestly, I use a lot of party decor for my home decor. So I have these mini pumpkin piñata decorations. These are so cute. You get a set of 3. They all look slightly different, as you can see. They also come with this plastic hook, so you can hang it if you want to use it as a piñata. I also thought about using these as a little gift basket, like you can cut into them and put your little gifts in there and hand them out. I thought that could be an extra way that you could use these if you wanted to. So I know we're all counting down to Halloween. I can't believe it. It's gonna be here before we know it. So this is the Jack-o'-lantern Halloween countdown tabletop sign, and it's just a cute little jack-o'-lantern face. It has some stars, a little ghosty, a little spider, and of course the countdown blocks that you can change every day. Just imagine how exciting your morning will be every time you change these blocks to get closer to Halloween. Ooh, I'm excited. If you love decorating outdoors, this is for you. I live in an apartment. I will be using these inside. So these are the Jack-o'-lantern Luminaries. You get a set of 3, and they are made out of like this metal material, like a tin material, and it comes with the LED light in there that flickers, so you don't even have to worry about buying a candle or anything like that. How festive would these look on a porch and next to some hay, maybe next to a scarecrow? Calling all coffee lovers, including myself. So I definitely want to do a different setup for my coffee bar for this Halloween, and so I wanted to go ahead and grab these jack-o'-lantern paper coffee cups. They come with the black lids. You get 12 cups. Can you just imagine walking around, looking at Halloween decorations, smelling the fall air, and drinking your pumpkin spice coffee? Sign me up. So you know what I'm a sucker for? That is spooky stationery. I love collecting this stuff. So these are stacking Halloween pencils. You get 12 pencils, and look at how cute these little pumpkins are. Do you guys remember these mechanical pencils where you can just take the bottom off when you're done with the lead, you pop it in the top, and then you're good to go? I thought these would be so fun, so festive. I'm also a sucker for stickers. Sign me up for all the stickers. This sticker roll, you get 100 stickers with this, and these are all different jack-o'-lantern faces. So adorable. You can use these for your Halloween party invites. You can use them for Happy Mail. You can pass these out. So many things you can do. So if there are any teachers watching, how cute are these pumpkin spiral notepads? These are perfect for the classroom, perfect for Halloween parties. I will probably use them for like Happy Mail. You can also pass these out to trick-or-treaters who can't use an extra notepad. You guys have seen these before in a previous haul that I've done. I was obsessed with these so much, I went ahead and got another pack. Individually wrapped craft kits. The project is this little felt pumpkin, and it comes with all of the pieces that you need, instructions, and you can also pass these out to trick-or-treaters to give them a little DIY to do. I feel like these just scream happy Halloween. These are 10-inch jack-o'-lantern hanging paper lanterns. These are so fun. You get 12 pieces. These would be great on a porch outside. You can also use them in your Halloween trees. Thought it would be cute to set these like above your bed. You can kind of stagger the heights, and you can add like some spooky haunted twigs and some black glitter garland. I thought that would be really cute. So this is for my fellow plushie collectors, stuffed animal collectors. So this is the haunted house with stuffed Halloween characters. Let me show you what's inside. So you get 25 of these little plushie Halloween characters. So stinking cute. How fun would these be? Obviously to decorate with, to gift. You can pass these out to trick-or-treaters. You can give them to your friends, or you can just keep them all for yourself. All these little cuties. You get a jack-o'-lantern, a skull, a little ghosty, this cute cat, adorable spider. You can't forget about this little monster. So these are spider web ceiling decorations. You get a set of 6, and they come in 8 inches to 12 inches. They are covered with glitter, which is why I left them in the bag, but perfect for hanging, staggering, and you can even pin these to the wall if you want. This is probably my favorite item. How cool is this stuffed skeleton pillow? This little friend stands 5 feet tall, and as you can see, his skeleton is printed on the material and it's stuffed, and it just makes like the perfect little porch decor if you want. It looks super heavy duty. It is lightweight though. You can snuggle up with it and watch a horror movie. A super unique piece. Comment down below, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!